So this US dollar Japanese yen analysis for Monday the 9th of July. Now let's just have a look at the prices and where prices may likely go. So previously we had prices reject the 111. More recently we've tested 1073. We've had failure, going to this bit of a consolidation. We'll see whether we do break to the upside as consolidation to test this 1073, but if we do break down, we're looking for a test of the 1020 and the very next major level of possible support. While previously we found support in around a 400 period moving average, on a third test we might trade through, then head down towards this 1020. If we do break beyond the 1020 to the downside here, the very next level of note, if we do see quite a bit of volatility in the market, is a move down towards this 109.50. Beyond the 109.50, of course, we've got the 108.80, but I wouldn't anticipate that coming to focus here on the US dollar Japanese yen. Now, if we do see this move to the upside towards that 1073, and we do break 1073, looking for a move towards that 111, from which we've encountered resistance previously. Successful break from which we're looking for the most recent high of 2018 around that 1140. And if we do break beyond there, we are looking for prices head up towards that 1160 here on the US dollar Japanese yen. Now, let's just have a look here at the higher time frames to see how prices are developing. So here on this monthly chart of the US dollar Japanese yen, we formed a low. We've had this move to the upside, this consolidation downwards, went to a bit of a trading range, had a breakout to the downside from this trading range beyond the 200 period moving average, found support from which we have seen this recovery here towards the upside. On the US dollar Japanese yen, so we had a pretty strong close to last month. It was a very strong bullish close, closing near its highs. So while we might see a bit of retracement this month, overall on the monthly time frame, we do appear to be recovering to the upside here on the US dollar Japanese yen. What we'll do now is have a brief look here at the weekly chart. And over here on this weekly chart, we can see here that we've tested at in around that 111 area, had a brief pullback, tested again. So we've gone into a bit of a flag pattern here. So we do have, well, it's a flat top, isn't it? So we've gone into a bit of a flat top at the moment. So if we don't see the break of this 111, start to head up towards that 112, 113, possibly looking for a breakdown down towards the 107, possibly even that 106 here on the weekly time frame of the US dollar Japanese yen. So we've encountered resistance several times now in around a 1073 on that 111. So if we can't see the breakout, possibly looking for a further retracement here to the downside on the US dollar Japanese yen. Now, level of notes here to the downside from a weekly time frame perspective would possibly be a move down towards that 107.30 here on the 107.32 essentially here on the US dollar Japanese yen. And finally, we'll have a look here at the daily chart. So here on this daily chart of the US dollar Japanese yen, we can see here formed the most recent highs around 1140, had prices break above 1073, brief pullback, broke above that 111, tested the 400 period average, had sell side momentum coming back into the market from that 400 period moving average, and now at the moment we do seem to be rejecting the 1073. So in around that 110.20 we do have the 200 period moving average further increasing, likely to find support at that level. But if we do fail there, we've mentioned levels that we are looking at to the downside, especially in the form of the 109.50, 108.80. But from a daily chart perspective, level that we would be looking for would be a move down towards that 108.13. It's 108.13. I'm not sure why the drawing's been moved on my charts. Yeah, so we're looking for a move down towards our 108.13 from a daily chart perspective here on the US dollar Japanese yen. Overall, the trend, as we can see, has been to the upside more recently, despite the fact that we have encountered some resistance around this 111. So if we were to draw a rough trend line here, as you can see, we've encountered a resistance around the 111. So if we do see a breakdown, we could possibly see a break of the trend and start to see prices head down towards our 108.13 in the medium term. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US dollar Japanese yen analysis. Thanks for watching.